To keep your Norfield 450 running at peak performance, complete these maintenance checks daily. Clean the machine by blowing it off with compressed air and wiping it down with a non-flammable, non-oil-based solvent. Visually inspect the machine for any loose fittings or misalignment. Check a finished right and left-hand jam. Make sure that staples and nails are being set properly and that the reveal is correct. To keep your Norfield 450 running at peak performance, complete these maintenance checks weekly. Thoroughly inspect the machine for loose nuts and bolts and check the entire machine for damage or wear. Check the oil level in the lubricators. Refill with 10-weight turbine oil as needed. Check the filter elements in the FRL units. A visible coating of dirt or moisture on the filter element is an indication that cleaning or replacement may be necessary. Check the pneumatic system for any leaking fittings or tubes. Always refer to your operator's manual for detailed instructions on the above maintenance operations.